So today's vlog is gonna be about Mayfair, Central London, and also I had got lost in this railway station that's from Waterloo to Kingston. So this second part is about me getting lost. Oh my gosh. So I hope you guys see the video and enjoy. Let's go! Woo!
What's up? Where are you?
Korean restaurant. What a hottie. Hello guys, so we're stuck in this railway station in London and I don't know, what's the name, Yashis? Walking. Huh? Walking. It's called walking. So we had to come from Central London to Kingston upon Thames and we freaking came 45 minutes away to this station. We don't know, we're like stranded. I have to show you guys. This is my friend, say hi. And this is the haunted station, I think so, because there are no visible humans here. So till we reach the hotel, you have to wait for it.
Stay tuned.
Yeah. And we look like trash because we are already stressed. I thought I would go back home, India. Okay, I'll keep you all noted. So finally we've gone inside the train and freaking train is empty.
Come inside. Whatever. If you see something.
Thank you God. I'm in my hotel. Yay! I finally reached. Woo! Yay! Thank you for watching. Bye. Hold on. And don't forget to like, comment, share and hit the notification below. Mwah! Lots of love.